Whenever we shoot with Steadicams on set and the Steadicam goes upside down, the sensor of the camera goes upside down, and the video which we are looking on monitor is always upside down. So to solve that problem, in most of the cinema cameras, there is an option called sensor flip. And how can we do that sensor flip in Sony Venice 1? To show you guys, I'm having the camera here, but it's not gonna look good in here. So I'm gonna show you the menus on simulator, how really you can flip the sensor on Sony Venice 1. So to do that, first of all, you go to menus by long pressing the menu button, and then in menus you scroll down till you see technical. In technical, you go on special configuration, and in there is option called flip image. You click on this and you go on H and V flip, which will 180-degree flip the image. So this is how you can do it in Sony Venice 1. In Sony Venice 2, it's not the same. They have changed something. So if you come in your technical options and you look for the sensor flip in special configuration, you're not going to be able to find that. So they have changed the menus in there. So how can we do that in Sony Venice 2? I will show you in the next video.